Welcome everyone. In this video, we're going to look at a percentage yield calculation. The question is taken from a BTEC Level 3 Applied Science Unit 1 exam paper. The content is also relevant to A-level chemistry students. Let's get started. Here's the question. Sodium reacts with chlorine to form sodium chloride. The balanced equation of the reaction is given below. In an experiment, 4.6 grams of sodium was reacted with chlorine. The actual yield of the experiment was 7.5 grams. Calculate the percentage yield, show your working, and we're given the relative formula mass of sodium chloride. To answer this question, you will need to use the equation amount is equal to mass divided by molar mass. BTEC Level 3 Applied Science questions often refer to relative formula mass rather than molar mass. Relative formula mass has the same value as molar mass but does not have units. Molar mass and relative formula mass can be used interchangeably in this equation. You will also need to know that percentage yield is equal to actual yield divided by expected yield multiplied by 100. Expected yield is sometimes called theoretical yield. You can use amount in moles or mass in grams or any other units for mass in the yield equation, but you must be consistent. These equations are not provided on a datasheet, so they have to be memorized. Learning these equations and the associated units is a good place to start if you don't already know them. We are given the mass of sodium, Na, in the question, 4.6 grams. We can use the datasheet to find the molar mass of sodium. The amount of sodium can be found using amount is equal to mass divided by molar mass. The amount of sodium works out to be 0.200 moles. Next, let's look at the chemical equation. A balanced chemical equation shows the ratio in which substances react and form products. From the balanced equation, we can see that 2 moles of sodium will produce 2 moles of sodium chloride, assuming that there is enough chlorine for the sodium to react completely. This can be referred to as a one-to-one reaction. We expect that 0.200 moles of sodium will produce 0.200 moles of sodium chloride if chlorine is in excess. We have just worked out the amount in moles of sodium chloride that will be produced. The relative formula mass of sodium chloride is 58.5. We can use this data to work out the expected mass of sodium chloride using mass is equal to number of moles multiplied by relative formula mass. The expected mass of sodium chloride works out to be 11.7 grams. Finally, we can work out the percentage yield using actual yield divided by expected yield multiplied by 100. I mentioned previously that amount in moles or mass in grams or any other unit for mass can be used in the percentage yield expression. However, you have to be consistent. It is possible to arrive at the correct final answer using alternative methods. The most important thing is to show you're working out clearly. This is a 4-mark question. Your aim is to get as many method marks as possible, even if your final answer is incorrect. The final answer works out to be 64.1% given to 3 significant figures. Although some of the data in the question is only given to 2 significant figures, this was the answer on the mark scheme. Thanks for watching. I hope you found the video useful. There are lots more videos on moles calculations on this channel. Check out the links in the description. Take care and good luck with your studies.